that window of Yiddish literature is quite small. People didn't write in Yiddish until after the Enlightenment, and I love it. I think it is, that literature is the only thing to me that captures the world I could not have known that my father grew up in. Particularly, I mean, people think of it as sentiment. Use the Yiddish word, everybody laughs. But when you read those stories, they are dark, they are painful, they are as human as Shakespeare in their, Shakespeare's my particular field of analysis, in their particular examination of emotions don't change. I don't know if you watch a very vulgar and wonderful program, Lena Dunham, Girls on HBO. It's right now. It's extremely vulgar. The emotions are absolutely accurate. And that's how I feel about Yiddish literature. It is the tranche de vie. It is the slice of life of a time that I can't know anything about. So on an academic level, I feel about that way. On an emotional level, it's my childhood. It is, it's my cousins, it's the 13 kids running up and down the stairs in East Hartford, Connecticut, in a two-family house where there was always plenty of room. One bathroom and plenty of room and wonderful smells and good food, and my grandfather with his rotten temper grating horseradish out on the porch weeping, and my grandmother standing by that stove cooking, and then this little old lady in the old people's home singing "Stellt dem Sommerwach, stellt dem Sommerwach." How can you not love it?